happy, excited, relaxed ka ba? Siguro mamaya, baka sa ceremony.
Actually hindi ko ma-explain. Siguro kasi it's a mix ng excitement, pero kabado din.
How we met, through my cousin. Niyaya ko siya na mag-meet kami. Tapos the night before, sabi niya sa akin, may papakilala ako sa'yo.
Sabi lang niya actually, pasama lang daw. Tapos bilang may kasamang iba.
Right after we meet, sabi ko, sige ako na lang yung mag-a-add sa kanya.
Ayoko lang maging parang presko. So, feeling pogi, syempre accept tayo dyan.
Forever I'd stay right there beside you, 'cause all that I need is always wherever you are. Oh, let's get lost in a daydream. Over and over we'll fall, lost in time, never ending.
Actually, yung tanong niya noon, will you marry me? Yun yung tanong niya as boyfriend, girlfriend pa lang. So parang sabi ko, oh, okay, sige, seryoso na. Baka ito na yung hinahanap ko na. Uy, iyak na.
Doesn't get better than this.
You've shown me true love, not driven by emotions or feelings. You sought my highest good, even throughout my imperfections.
Thank you for always believing in me, for giving me the chance to be my best self. You have made me a better man, and I praise God for you every single day. I love you, honey.
Even in pain, you've shown love, grace, and forgiveness. You fought for me and never gave up. And I can't thank you enough.
Let's get lost in a daydream. Over and over we'll fall, lost in time, never ending. Oh, 'cause I know that this is where it begins. Oh, we'll never reach the end.
Kuya Paul po yung very first jowa na nakilala ko. So parang fairy tale like niya.
Yung vow ko, sinulat ko to 2018. Ngayon masasabi ko na, mariread ko na out loud. Thank you, and I'll see you in a bit as husband and wife na later. Finally!
Natutuwa ako na kakasal ka na ngayon. Biyaya sa Panginoon yung ingatan kayo lagi ng Panginoon sa inyong pagsasama.
You love and forgive like Jesus. You are so selfless that you can still love and forgive me for everything that I've done wrong in our relationship.
Together, we have built a foundation of love, trust, and mutual respect. A foundation I vow to strengthen with each passing day. Above all else, I vow to always choose God, who will always lead me to choose you every day, point onwards. I love you, honey.
Ate, thank you so much sa lahat-lahat. I love you.
I love you.
Thank you for the 12 years of being boyfriend-girlfriend. I'm so blessed that I was able to spend the early years of my adulthood with you. Now, I'm excited as we embark on the next level of our adventure. I love you so much, Honey Bear. Now, always, and forever.